Looks like somebody's about to have their first day in the workshop.
Yeah.
Come on, let's get started. All right, Chris, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is put on some eye protection.
No, I think I'm all right.
You can never be too careful in the workshop, Chris. Congratulations, Chris. You've just learned your first lesson in this workshop. Let's get you cleaned up. Anyway, where was I before you? Wait, Chris, tell me those aren't open-toed shoes. I'd hate to have to add you to the pile.
That's disgusting.
It certainly is, Chris, but not nearly as disgusting as using tools without being properly trained.
How hard can it be? Oh, God.
Definitely not as easy as it looks, huh, Chris? Anyways, I'm gonna need you to clean up this mess. It's pretty gross in here.
I think I need to go to the hospital.
Well, you can't take those goggles with you when you do, Chris. So, go ahead, put them up. Are you gonna go or just sit there?